What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cut out multiple designs just on one sheet with the Cricut Explorer Air 2 and make multiple shirts without using so much of your time. So let's go ahead, go to our Cricut design space so I can show you how this is done. Alright guys, so here we are in our Cricut design space, and the design we doing, I already done it because it's actually for my father-in-law who was wanting more shirts because he liked the first one. So we're gonna make him another one of his shirt, but we're gonna do it all on one sheet, and he has 5 shirts. So as you can see, this is gonna be easy. So this is like the little chest piece area as well. So this should be fairly easy. I already had the design, and what you want to do is this is what you want to do when you want to do the multiple design, because right here I can just get it, duplicate it the 5 times, right, and just spread it out and just show. But I'm gonna show y'all because really you don't have to do all that. So let's go to make it. So as you can see, little cut right there. All you have to do is go to project copy. Just apply 4. Boom, got 4 right there, right there. Let's do 5. It's that simple, that simple. I know this video, I'm sure y'all like, oh, what was this about? But just showing y'all that you can do multiple cuts on one. Do multiple cuts, especially if you got like a simple design, a smaller design that you can put on here. You can do the multiple cuts and it will just work out better for you. So here we have it. Boom, bam. Boom, bam. So as you can see, 5. So this should be an easy and quick process. Then just gotta weed it out. So we finna see. But that's how you do it. Got multiple designs, just go to project copy and just place them on there. And I thought I was gonna need a bigger mat, but I guess I don't. So you don't need a bigger mat, and I'm gonna put his last name on the back and stuff as well, but I'm just showing y'all just how to do the multiple copies, different things like that. So, but let's go ahead, cut this out, and let's get to making some t-shirts. And there you have it, guys. 5 t-shirts ready to be packaged and ready to be delivered. So like I said, it doesn't take too long, especially once you put them out, 5 on there, out there for them to be cut. But it just, when it comes to when you have to weed out the different things with the different designs and stuff, it could take some time. Probably took me like maybe 9 minutes. I think I counted 9 minutes to weed out all 5 of those. Then when it came to just heat pressing the shirt, of course it takes 20 seconds per shirt, and I did that 3 times per shirt. So you're looking at 60 seconds. You're looking at a minute. So it takes like 5 minutes to do that as well. So the whole process probably gonna take you about 20 to 25 minutes. That's just for 5 shirts. But it can be done. It can speed up the process, so I wouldn't have to worry about doing one design, waiting for it to cut, doing another design, waiting for it to cut, doing another design, waiting for it to cut. And while I was doing all the other stuff, I could have easily, if I had multiple more orders, I could have easily maybe fit 6 on the sheet. And that's just on the 12-inch sheet. I could have fit 6 on there. Then when I got done weeding that, I could start another 6. Then I could start another 6. So you just have to have a process, and it has to be almost like an assembly line, and just how you make your shirts. So if you want to get out more products and push them faster, that way can help you a lot. So while you're weeding out, while you're heat pressing, the other designs can be already cutting. Then when they get done cutting, you just have to, create a process with it. But guys, that's all I have for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and package these shirts up and get them sent to my father-in-law. And some of them I'm gonna add his last name to it, so I'm still not done yet. But that's probably just gonna take another 10-15 minutes. But that's gonna be easy, just letters. But guys, that's all I have. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Hey, send me some video recommendations. Y'all might want me to do a video over something with the Cricut, maybe with the heat press. But whatever y'all need, I got you. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. But that's all I have. Y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.